What are the basic employee rights under federal law? In recent news, the topic of employee rights has gained significant attention. With ongoing discussions about workplace fairness and safety, many are asking, what are the basic employee rights under federal law? If you are working or planning to enter the workforce, it is essential to know these rights to ensure you are treated fairly. Under federal law, employees have several fundamental rights that protect their wages, working conditions, and overall workplace fairness. One of the key protections is the minimum wage. The Fair Labor Standards Act establishes a federal minimum wage of $7.25 per hour. This rate has been in place since 2009. However, if your state or local area has a higher minimum wage, employers must pay you that higher rate. Another important right is overtime pay. The Fair Labor Standards Act requires that most hourly, non-exempt employees receive overtime pay at 1.5 times their regular rate, 4 hours worked beyond 40 in a work week. This ensures that employees are compensated fairly for their extra hours. Child labor protections are also in place under the Fair Labor Standards Act. This law restricts the employment of minors, limiting the types of jobs and hours they can work. These restrictions help ensure the safety and education of young workers. Workplace safety and health are critical as well. While not covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act, the Occupational Safety and Health Act requires employers to provide safe working environments free from recognized hazards. This means you have the right to work in a safe space. Additionally, federal laws prohibit employment discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, and genetic information. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission enforces these laws, ensuring that all employees are treated equally. You also have the right to unionize and engage in collective bargaining. The National Labor Relations Act protects employees' rights to organize and join unions. This includes protections against retaliation for participating in union activities. Moreover, the Family and Medical Leave Act entitles eligible employees to unpaid, job-protected leave for certain family and medical reasons. This law allows you to take time off without fear of losing your job. Recently, there have been legislative efforts, such as the proposed Employee Rights Act of 2025. This act aims to update and clarify workers' rights related to union representation, elections, and privacy. These changes reflected the evolving needs of the modern workplace. These federal protections serve as a baseline for employee rights. Many states and localities offer additional rights and benefits that may be more favorable. It is important for workers to verify their specific rights based on their location and industry. Knowing your rights can help you advocate for yourself and ensure a fair working environment.